Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Mechanics, in this video we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on a Fiat 500 and what you're going to need for that procedure. When you open the hood, right here you have the label that tells you the capacity of your system. This one is the 1.4 non-turbo engine. It takes 482 grams. And one can, the small cans are 340, the bigger ones are about 500. So we're going to use one can and 1/3 little ones. And what you need to do, you need to remove the engine cover. You just lift it up. There is 4 clips that hold it. Okay, one here, here, and in each corner right there. And now this is where the air conditioner compressor is located. Air conditioning compressor, you need to remove the lid, that's the cap that's on the front. That's the low pressure side. The other one is a high pressure side. And now you need to connect the hose to the low pressure port right there. Okay, it's limited room, but you'll be able to get it. Next thing that we will need to do, we need to start the vehicle and turn the air conditioner on. So you just start it, make sure it's on cold, and you need to make sure that the AC is on. Okay, as you can see the light right now, it lights up, and this is off, and this is on. And now you start adding the Freon, and you'll be able to hear the compressor kicking in. Okay, right there, that's the click. And after a while even the fan will turn on. Okay, it's working now, and it will take you probably about a minute to empty the whole can, the first can. We recommend getting one that's close to the size that you need right here, because otherwise it's a little bit complicated, you know, if you use 1/3 without having a scale. Okay, and the fan. Okay, now you need to shut the engine off because the belt and the pulley is very close, so you want to avoid injuries. And just pull it out, and we need to replace the can with a new one, with a second can. Okay, that's the second can now. We just added again. And you need to add about 1/3 of it. That will make about 480 grams, close to 480. Do not overfill the system because I don't think you'll damage it, because they have a shut-off switch. If it's too much pressure, a refrigerant in the system, it will prevent the AC from kicking in. That way it will not damage the system. And now you need to start adding, and you need to start the engine again and make sure that the air conditioner is on. And hours after the first can, it's blowing pretty cold. It's really cold. And now you need to unhook the hose. Don't forget to put the cap on right there, and the engine cover, we need to put this one on as well, and make sure that it goes in the glides right here, and you just push it down. You hear it clicking, and it's pretty secure now. So that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.